Trigonometry Lesson 1 Direct Angle. Before study direct angle, let us remember what is an angle. When I draw ray BA, my ray starts from point B and passing point A, then goes to infinity, okay? And draw another ray, start from same point B. My second ray is called BC, start B, passing C and goes to infinity. Then my two rays with same starting point, this figure is called angle, okay? Then the angle is the union of two rays with a common starting point, okay? My two rays BA and BC, we named them the sides of the angle. BA side and BC is another side, okay? The union of two rays BA and BC is the angle, okay? If ray BA and ray BC are two rays with a common starting point B, then ray BA union ray BC, we get angle ABC, okay? I told you that the two rays BA and BC, we named them sides of the angle. BA ray and BC ray are called the sides of the angle, okay? We named the point B is the vertex, okay? This angle, I can write it angle ABC or CBA, okay? To say the name of the angle, we said point on side, vertex another side, okay? Or side, vertex another side, okay? This angle, we write it angle ABC or CBA. ABC or CBA, okay? This is the part of angle you studied before. Our angle today is called direct angle or directed angle. Do you see this angle? I have a side and another side. To write this angle, we write it in the form of ordered pair, two brackets and comma. What I write in these two coordinate or first projection and second projection, what we write? Any angle has two sides, okay? We consider the side, the base of the angle is called initial side, okay? My angle round in this direction, okay? My angle round in this direction as my arrow show. Turn, turn, turn and stop here, okay? This ray, we named it terminal side. Then in my ordered pair, I write the initial side as the first, then terminal side second, okay? Then this ordered pair is called directed angle. Then the directed angle is an ordered pair of two rays called the sides of the angle. My two sides with common starting point. My common starting point here is O, is called the vertex. Right? And then to write this directed angle, we write an ordered pair, the initial side as the first, the terminal side second, okay? This ordered pair represents the direct angle AOB, okay? To write its name, you must write the first letter on initial, then vertex, then terminal. Angle AOB, okay? Whose initial side is OA and terminal side is OB, okay? When we look to this angle start from this side and round in this direction, okay? As you your arrow show. This side is initial, OB is an initial side, and this side is terminal side, okay? Then to write the ordered pair of directed angle, we write the initial as a first, then terminal. What is my initial here? OB ray. We write OB ray here. What is my terminal? OA. I write OA. Then this ordered pair represent the direct angle. What's my direct angle? We start from initial BOA. This angle is BOA, whose initial OB and the terminal OE. The question: I have two angles here, two directed angle here. The first directed angle OA and OB. The second OB and OA. The question: these two directed angles are equal? For sure not. Why? Because this ordered pair not equal this ordered pair. Remark: directed angle AOB not equal directed angle BOA, because the ordered pair OA and OB not equal ordered pair OB and OA. That's we said it. Next part in our lesson talk about positive and negative measures of the direct angle. Any direct angle has two measures. One is positive and the other is negative. Let us know what is positive and what is negative. In my direct angle here, do you see this is an initial? My angle round in this direction as my arrow shows, okay? And this is terminal. Start from initial, round, then this is terminal, okay? My angle round in the direction anti-clockwise، عكس عقارب الساعة، okay? Then the measure of my direct angle is positive, okay? Then if the direction of the rotation from the initial side to terminal side is anti-clockwise, then the measure of direct angle is positive, okay? But when we look here, this is an initial. My angle round in this side, right, round as my arrow show, okay? Do you see this rotation? Okay, my rotation is clockwise in the same direction of clock. Then the measure of my direct angle is negative, okay? Then when my measure is positive, if my rotation anti-clockwise, but it is negative when my rotation is clockwise. Look at this direct angle. This is an initial. My terminal round in this direction, okay? This is terminal, okay? My direct rotate anti-clockwise, then its measure is positive. If my angle start from this initial and round to be here, do you notice something? My direct angle round in the same direction of clockwise, then my measure of angle is negative. Do you see? By numbers, if I said the measure of this angle is 60 degree. Okay, positive 60 degree. If your angle rotate in this side, what is the measure of this part of this angle by rotating this side? It equals negative 300. Do you notice something? When I add absolute value of 60 plus absolute value of negative 300, we get 360. It's the same angle. Then this angle, this direct angle which draw, okay, has two measures. One is positive and the other is negative. When I add the positive measure, absolute value of positive measure plus absolute value of negative measure, we get 360. Then each direct angle has two measures. One is positive and the other is negative, such that the sum of the absolute value of the two measures equal 360. Okay, as you see, absolute value positive measure plus absolute value negative measure equal 360. If you want to get the positive measure or negative measure to the same angle, I told you an easy way. If you want to get the positive measure, okay, you write the negative measure plus 360 in this. If you want to get the positive measure, you write the negative measure plus 360. But if you want to get the negative measure, you write positive measure minus 360. For example, if the positive measure of an angle 210, the positive is 210, okay, what is the negative? You want to get the negative, then you write the positive minus 360, then 210 minus 360 equal negative 150. Okay, another example, if you want to get the positive measure of an angle has a negative measure negative 120, you want to get the positive, then you write the negative measure plus 360. Okay,